As we step into 2025, experts and enthusiasts alike believe the world could be on the verge of witnessing a major UFO event. But how did we get here, and what could this event mean for our future? For decades, humanity's been captivated by the mysteries of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and extraterrestrial life. From strange sightings in the sky to whispered rumors of secret technologies, these phenomena have sparked endless questions. The journey to understanding UFOs and their potential impact on Earth is deeply tied to history, technology, and speculation. Many believe that the seeds of today's mysteries were planted during World War II. Nazi Germany was rumored to have developed groundbreaking technologies, including saucer-shaped aircraft and advanced propulsion systems. Organizations like the Thule Society and Vril Society, which combined mysticism and science, were said to explore connections between ancient civilizations, extraterrestrial beings, and advanced technology. One such project was the alleged development of flying saucers powered by anti-gravity technology. Witnesses described these crafts as highly maneuverable and faster than anything known at the time. Some even speculated that these innovations were inspired by extraterrestrial knowledge, possibly reverse-engineered from alien spacecraft that had crashed in locations like the Bavarian Alps. After the war, the U.S. launched Operation Paperclip, a secret mission to recruit German scientists, including some involved in Nazi projects. These experts played key roles in advancing American technology. One of the most famous recruits was Wernher von Braun, a pioneer in rocket science who had worked on Germany's V-2 rockets. Under his leadership, the U.S. made significant strides in space exploration, including the launch of its first satellite and the historic Apollo moon missions. Though von Braun's contributions are celebrated, some believe his work and that of other Nazi scientists may have been influenced by advanced, possibly extraterrestrial, technology developed during the war. One of the most enduring mysteries involves rumors of a secret Nazi base in Antarctica. After Germany's defeat, some believe high-ranking Nazi officials fled to a hidden base beneath the ice in New Swabia, where warm underground lakes could have provided refuge. In 1947, the U.S. launched Operation High Jump, a massive military expedition to Antarctica. Officially described as a scientific mission, its large military presence raised suspicions. Admiral Richard Byrd, who led the operation, later claimed his team encountered a mysterious enemy capable of flying at incredible speeds. The mission was abruptly cut short, and many details remain classified. In the decades that followed, sightings of UFOs became increasingly common. One of the most famous early incidents was the Battle of Los Angeles in 1942, when unidentified objects hovered over the city, withstanding heavy anti-aircraft fire. Some believe these objects were advanced German technology, while others speculate extraterrestrial origins. Theories suggest that Nazi scientists, after fleeing to Antarctica and South America, continued their work on advanced technologies, including anti-gravity propulsion systems and secret space programs. Reports even claim that the Nazis may have established colonies on the Moon and Mars, keeping this information hidden through the so-called deep state, or shadow governments, including the U.S. and Soviet Union. These ideas imply that the Nazi secret space program continues to operate in hidden locations, with technologies like anti-gravity and even time traveling remaining concealed. In recent years, sightings have surged again, particularly in the U.S. In 2024, mysterious drones were reported over New Jersey, prompting public concern and official investigations. Witnesses described the car-sized drones and strange aerial phenomena near military bases. Michael B., a paranormal investigator, was flying his drone when it suddenly malfunctioned while he was investigating what he thought was another drone. He was near the military facility, which has recently seen a surge in unexplained drone sightings. Michael B. reported that his drone was operating normally with full battery when just minutes into the flight, he lost control. He said, "I had full battery life. Not 3 minutes into the flight, I lost control of the drone. A warning flashed on his screen, and moments later, his drone's battery died, causing it to descend." However, the unknown drone he was trying to examine remained in the air, raising more questions. The area near the Picatinny Arsenal is restricted airspace, and drones flying there are usually grounded by GPS systems. But the mysterious drone continued to fly, despite the circumstances. This incident adds to the growing list of strange drone sightings in the region, prompting an official investigation. The U.S. Army confirmed that a temporary flight restriction had been placed over the Picatinny Arsenal area until December 26 in response to the increasing drone activity. The Federal Aviation Administration is also looking into the situation. Additional flight restrictions have been imposed near other areas, including the Trump National Golf Club in Bedminster. The mystery surrounding these drones have stirred public concern. New Jersey State Senator Joe Panaccio has called for a federal investigation and even sent a letter to President-elect Donald Trump urging action. Experts believe some of these drones might have been hacked or tampered with, allowing them to bypass the usual restrictions. This theory gained support after federal authorities filed charges against a Chinese national accused of using a modified drone to photograph Vandenberg Space Force Base. Despite the mystery, White House National Security Communications Advisor John Kirby reviewed the available imagery and suggested that many of the reported sightings may actually be a manned aircraft operating legally. Meanwhile, former CIA officer Laura Ballman speculated that the unidentified drones could be part of a secret government test involving advanced technology designed to avoid detection. The mystery continues, leaving many to wonder who or what is behind these strange drone activities. Meanwhile, mysterious drones have also been spotted buzzing through the skies of New Jersey and other parts of the eastern U.S. The sightings, especially at night, have left people puzzled and sparked wild conspiracy theories. Some think it might be a secret government program, while others fear it's the work of a foreign power. Even President-elect Donald Trump has jumped in, claiming the current administration is hiding something. The drones have been seen in surprising places: residential neighborhoods, train stations, near a military research facility, and even above one of Trump's golf courses. Reports are also coming in from other locations, including a U.S. military base in Germany. The FBI has received thousands of tips, but say only a small number of cases are worth investigating further. Most sightings are likely explainable. Nobody knows they're commercial drones used for work, hobbyist drones flown for fun, or even planes and helicopters mistaken for drones. Some witnesses describe seeing car-sized drones, but experts say it's easy to misjudge the size of objects in the sky, especially at night. Bright lights and optical illusions can play tricks on the eyes, making planes or drones seem much closer or larger than they really are. Still, with so many reports, it's hard to calm people down. Government officials are treading carefully. They don't want to dismiss public fears, but they also don't want to fuel conspiracy theories. A White House official recently reassured people there's no evidence of criminal activity or threat, but an FBI agent admitted the response might be a bit of an overreaction. Dr. Stephen Greer is a well-known expert who has spent countless decades studying UFOs and revealing hidden information about them. He believes many UFO sightings are not from aliens, but are advanced human-made crafts created in secret projects. These secret programs, funded with huge amounts of unaccounted money, work on reverse engineering alien technology to build their own UFOs. According to Dr. Greer, governments and secret organizations sometimes stage UFO events to make people think there's a threat from space. This fear helps them justify spending more money on military and space defense programs, like creating a space force. He says this is done to keep the truth hidden and stop people from understanding that extraterrestrial contact could be a positive thing. Dr. Greer also says that some people who worked on these secret projects are now willing to come forward with proof, like documents and personal experiences. These whistleblowers are risking their safety to reveal the truth about reverse-engineered technology, alien bodies, and the creation of fake UFOs. He warns that governments use scare tactics, like staged UFO sightings or fake alien abductions, to make people afraid of aliens. This makes it easier to control public opinion and block any friendly connection with extraterrestrial beings. Dr. Greer believes that aliens are not a threat, but could help humanity with advanced technology and new ideas. There are many theories among people related to these sightings. Some believe that UFOs are extraterrestrial visitors, beings from other planets or even other dimensions who are observing Earth. These visitors could be studying our planet, watching human behavior, or even trying to communicate with us. Others argue that UFOs might not come from outer space at all, but are instead secret technologies developed by world governments. These advanced aircraft could be influenced by designs from Nazi Germany, or even based on extraterrestrial technology that was discovered and kept hidden. A third theory suggests that UFOs are the work of breakaway civilizations. Those are the groups of humans who have developed advanced technology in secret and live in hidden places, such as the underground bases in remote areas like Antarctica. Adding even more intrigue are claims involving secret societies like the Thule Society and the Vril Society. These groups, tied to mysticism and ancient knowledge, are rumored to have explored connections with extraterrestrial beings. Some believe they channeled designs for futuristic propulsion systems, enabling the creation of flying saucers and other advanced machines. As we move into 2025, many experts and researchers believe that this could be the year when something extraordinary happens involving UFOs. One major reason is the increase in sightings and government interest in these phenomena. Another reason 2025 could be significant is the rise of modern technology that allows ordinary people to capture high-quality videos and data about UFOs. With smartphones and advanced cameras in almost everyone's hands, it's become much harder to dismiss UFO sightings as mere imagination or hoaxes. There's also renewed interest in Antarctica. Satellite images and reports of underground structures have sparked speculation that the icy continent may hide secrets from the past, such as remnants of Nazi-era projects or even extraterrestrial bases. Many people believe that the world is overdue for disclosure, where governments would finally reveal the truth about what they know about UFOs and extraterrestrial life. The growing public demand for transparency might force authorities to share information they've kept secret for years. Finally, some researchers and conspiracy theorists point to ancient texts and prophecies that suggest humanity's on the brink of a great revelation about life beyond Earth. As we approach this potential turning point, it's natural to wonder if humanity is ready. The possibility of learning that we're not alone in the universe raises important questions. How would people react to the discovery of extraterrestrial life? Would it change religious beliefs, or would it inspire a new understanding of spirituality? How would governments and societies adapt to such a reality? As we wait to see what 2025 will bring, one thing is clear: the skies above still hold many secrets. Whether the coming year brings answers or deeper mysteries, humanity is on the verge of an extraordinary journey into the unknown. This could be the moment when we finally learn the truth about UFOs and our place in the universe.